And this is the view. So we're going to eat lunch today, looking out at this view. So the lamb chops are on, all the way from Singleton, main butcher. Hi everyone, this is lunch. And that's the view. So after lunch we decided to do the Timber Creek walk just behind Murrays Lagoon. It was a very pretty walk and we were sort of surrounded by this canopy the whole way. So this is Murrays Lagoon that you can see from the Timber Creek walk. There's a few little baby swans. You probably can't see them on the camera. Very cute. This was a bit nerve-wracking. This reminded me of the Blair Witch Project, the old movie many years ago. Just waiting for someone to jump out at us. Could be a mistake, but we decided not to follow this arrow and have a little look through the bushes where some tracks have been made. And then we come out and we can see another angle of Murrays Lagoon. And this is the end of the Timber Creek walk. Thanks for watching and following the Travelling McLeods. See you again soon. Bye.